Today is Monday, August 18th, 2025. This is the current state of the house. This is the office. Across is the formal dining room. Take a look at that next. This is going into the kitchen nook area. This is the hall. So all of this is wood. Let me go back and show. So this is going to be the new bamboo flooring, closets, them out. So again, over here, this is the formal dining room. This is going to be bamboo wood. And then the office here is also bamboo wood. So what's got done is the tile coming straight in to the kitchen nook, this amount. This is the family room. This is also going to be bamboo wood. Kitchen nook. The kitchen on back here is all tile. You can see what changed since last time. I think the last video we showed that the subfloor was done, but what's changed since last time is the cabinets are back. So the cabinets all the way to where the granite countertop was taken out, the sink, the dishwasher, everything was taken out, and now you can see the cabinet maker did a great job and was able to remake the cabinets, and we're all ready to go for the flooring. No issues with the subfloor or the cabinets now. We're ready for the floor. We're just waiting on the floor to be installed. Again, this is the pantry, so that's all tile. The butler's area is off the kitchen, and that's wood. This is all tile going out to the kitchen. Same here. The other thing that we did was we took the refrigerator out. There was just so much confusion over tiling around the refrigerator. Just took it out, put it in the garage. So nobody needs to mess with the dishwasher or with the refrigerator at all. It's actually now out in the garage, so no concerns with the dishwasher or with the refrigerator. Sorry. This is the current state of the house, just waiting on the floor to be installed. The only thing that's been installed is this amount of tile here, from the front door, kind of straight back to the kitchen nook. And it's about 3/4 of the kitchen nook, and then that's it. No bamboo, no further tile has been installed.